In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for rapid weight loss. To kick things off, we're going to start by accessing the ChatGPT platform. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's always a great starting point when you're searching for something online. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar and press enter. You'll be shown a list of search results, and the one you're looking for is typically right at the top, labeled ChatGPT website. Click on this link to be directed to the main ChatGPT site. Now that we are on the ChatGPT site, we're ready to interact with the AI and make use of its capabilities for our weight loss journey. Here, you'll want to begin by crafting a specific prompt that includes details about yourself. To get the most tailored advice, think about including your age, height, weight, your work or activity level, and any other relevant particulars that might impact your diet or fitness regimen. The more specific you can be, the better the guidance ChatGPT can provide. Once you've typed out your personalized prompt into ChatGPT's interface, the next step is to hit that submit button. This action sends your prompt directly to the AI, allowing it to process your information and generate a response. The feedback you receive will be based on the data you provided in your prompt, so it's crucial to be as accurate and comprehensive as possible. With everything set into motion, you'll soon receive a detailed response from ChatGPT that you can use as part of your effort to lose weight. Remember, while this tool can provide you with valuable insights and suggestions, it's also just a piece of the puzzle. Successful weight loss generally relies on a consistent combination of a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and an overall balanced lifestyle. Make sure to take the advice offered into consideration with your personal goals and any professional guidance you may be receiving from health practitioners. Finally, by using ChatGPT, you've added another resource in your weight loss toolkit. Utilize this powerful AI to stay informed and motivated as you work towards achieving your goals. Always remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It involves making sustainable lifestyle changes and always being kind to yourself along the way. You're now equipped with the knowledge to make the most of ChatGPT in your weight loss endeavors. Happy health chow journey, and we'll see you in the next video.